Hi Little Sprouts friends. Today we're going to be doing a science rocks activity and we're going to create our own lava lamp. So you're going to need a few materials for this activity. First thing you're going to need is some vegetable oil here, or you can use olive oil. You're also going to need some Alka-Seltzer tablets. They're a round white tablet. They look like this out of the packaging. You are going to need some water. You're going to need some food coloring. I'm using red today, but go ahead and use whatever your favorite color is. You're also going to need some type of container, a clear container that you can see through. I'm using a water bottle. You want something that you can see through because we want to see what's happening inside the bottle. But you can also use a clear glass cup if you have that. And then the last thing, you don't actually need it, but if you have it, go ahead and grab it, is a flashlight. You can use a flashlight like this, or if your mom and dad have a flashlight on their phone, you can use that as well. Okay, let's get started. So what you're going to do is open your water bottle, and you're going to pour water into your water bottle. Move this stuff off so you can see. You can even get this right from the sink. Whoops. You don't need a lot, just enough to fill the bottom. So just about that much there. You can see that. Just the bottom here. All right, and next thing that you're going to do, you may need some help with this part. You're going to use your oil, open up your oil, and very slowly and carefully pour oil into your water bottle up until about this point here. You want to leave some room at the top. So right to about here, pour some oil in. Again, very slowly. And as you're pouring it in, you can see that the oil does go down to the bottom. There's already some bubbles. But as you watch it, it begins to separate. The water stays down here at the bottom, but the oil all goes to the top. The reason for that is because water is much heavier than oil, so it all sinks down to the bottom. And the oil is much lighter. It weighs less than water, so it all rises to the top. Next step, you're going to get your food coloring, whatever color you decided on. And we're going to put 10 drops into our bottle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So as you can see, mine just floated right to about down here. It's just hanging out in the middle of my bottle. It never went down to the water. It's still in the oil. And now for the fun part. This is going to be where we start to see some bubbles. You're going to get your Alka-Seltzer tablet. You're going to break it in half. So like this. All you need is half of it. You can set the other half to the side. And you're going to put your tablet into the water bottle and watch what happens. It might take a few seconds for something to happen. Let's see. As you can see, the food coloring is now starting to go down the bottom, and we're starting to see some bubbles. We see a chemical reaction happening right now because bubbles are being produced. We just made our own lava lamp. Super cool. So now, if you have a flashlight, go ahead and turn it on. I want you to shine it into your bottle, and you can see even more tiny little bubbles. Shine it through both sides all around. Try shining it up from the bottom. Super cool. So as you can see, the bubbles are starting to slow down. They're going to start to slow down eventually. And all you're going to do, if you want to keep your lava lamp going, take the other half of your tablet and put it right in. And you have more bubbles instantly. Alright friends, if you wanted to keep this, all you're going to do is twist your cap back onto your bottle, and then you can save this for later. And if you have more tablets, all you do is put half a tablet in if you want to see some bubbles and create your own lava lamp. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you later.